That glass has been done. This one has not been done. There's a good demonstration. I can easily just glide that over. Now come over to this glass. Yeah. Unless I grab it, I can't pull it across. It's just grabbing. I haven't treated this one. I can't even do it with my fingers. I gotta grab it. All right, so let's treat this window real quick. And it's kind of cool. It's got a little lock on it. That way you don't actually waste any product. That's pretty cool, Shine Armor. So we gotta give it a minute or two. I don't know, 2 minutes. Yeah, let's give it a go. Now we're just gonna buff it off. Now for the test, I couldn't even hardly, I'm just gonna put my fingertips on it. It just slides across there. No problem. Holy cow. I'm really pleased with the product, Shine Armor, with the Graphene Ceramic Spray. It was easy to apply. Just make sure your car is nice and clean and cool. And you got a few minutes. It didn't take long at all. And I've used maybe half a bottle on the 370Z. The whole car, windows and all. I did the glass and everything. So it's smooth, everything. It's slick on this car like it's got a brand new wax job on it. If you want to give this product a try, I'll put a link in the description below. Use my promo code when you go to their website. Check them out. I wouldn't put anything on my car, and I don't expect you either. If I didn't think it was a good product, I sure wouldn't have sprayed it on my car. Anyway, guys, thank you so much. Get your bottle today and bring on the shine.